Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to make a veg meal recipe. It's peas pulao with gravy and tandoori potato. It's a nice combo. Let's get started. Let's make peas pulao. For that, in a pot add 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm adding 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of jeera, also called cumin, and 1 bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a while. For this pulao, I've taken 2 cups of rice. I did not soak the rice, I just washed and I'm adding it here. Fry it for a minute or two. This is 1 cup of green peas. Just mix well. In this cup I measured the rice. The same cup I am measuring water. I have taken 2 cups of rice. For that I have to add 4 cups of water. The ratio is 1:2. Some salt. Give it all a good mix. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on a low heat. After 10 minutes, just check the rice. Give it a quick mix. Cover it and let it cook. Rice is cooked perfectly. Our peas pulao is ready. Let's make tandoori potato. For that, in a big mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, also called cumin, 1 teaspoon of mango powder, dry mango powder, amchur powder, quarter teaspoon of black salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon of kasturi methi, it's dried fenugreek leaves, some salt, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of thick curd, also called yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, mix all of this well. If you don't like the flavor of mustard oil, you can use any cooking oil. This is 3 potatoes. It's cooked 3/4. 1 big onion, cut it into 4. I'm adding the petals here, and a combination of red and orange capsicums. Mix all of this well. The masalas should coat potatoes, onions and capsicums. So give it a nice mix and let it marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. In a bowl, I have added coal and some ghee on it. Cover it, let it sit for 30 minutes. This will give a nice smoky flavor, that tandoori effect, tandoori taste. Let's make a gravy for the pulao. For that, I have taken one big onion roughly chopped, one big tomato roughly chopped, one handful of mint and coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Grind this into a fine paste. I've ground into a fine paste. It should look like this. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and season it with 2 green chilies and some curry leaves. Saute it for a while. Add the onion tomato paste. Give it a nice mix. Add some salt. Cook till the raw flavor goes away. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now the masalas are cooked and it's become thick. Add some water. I am using mixing jar water in which I ground the paste. I am adding it here. Mix everything well. I am adding vegetable cube. You can use a cup of stock also. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Now the gravy has come to a nice consistency. Add some curry leaves and turn up the flame. Our gravy is ready. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is nice and hot. Now let's add the potatoes, capsicum and onion masala into it. Fry them on a medium heat and turn them occasionally. Since the potatoes are cooked, just toss them to get a crispy coating. Our tikka potato is done. It smells delicious with its smoky flavor. You can have this with chapati also. You can roll it and have it. Try this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.